Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Meet through Calendar. Let's get started. This video is all about scheduling a meeting through Calendar. You will need to log into your Gmail ID, click on the dots, and go to Calendar. Now, once you're in the Calendar app, click on the date when you want the meeting to start. A box will appear. Add the title. Let's say I'm typing subscribe, just as an example. Set the date and add the time. Okay, click over here and a drop-down menu will appear. Now you need to decide and plan how often you want the meeting to happen. Do you want it to occur every weekday, Monday to Friday, annually, monthly on the last Monday, weekly on Monday, or as a one-time meeting with no repetition? I'll select every weekday. All right, and then I'll add Google Meet conferencing. A meeting ID is generated right away. I can click on More Options, and if I want to add any attachments to present in my meeting, I can upload them here. You can also set up a notification, either through email or on your phone, to remind you about the meeting. Add guests by entering their email addresses, then click Save. A prompt will appear asking if you'd like to send invitation emails through Google Calendar. Click Send. That's how you can schedule a meeting on Google Meet through the calendar. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.